asked me, do you think my son will be healed if he accept Christ? I said, yes.
Okay.
I took him to the church, and finally we prayed for him.
How old is this boy?
He was,
Teenager?
it's about 24.
Oh, young
Yeah,
man. Yeah.
yeah.
Same age as you.
Yeah. So finally, what happened is he was completely healed. I started to disciple him.
So he confessed faith?
Yeah. So then my brother and my sister came to faith. His brother came to faith. My uncle's daughter also came to faith. Many Muslims came to Christ.
In your village?
In my village, I started to disciple them.
Wow.
Even I was working in that organization. I was getting money. I was supporting myself. Actually, at the midst of this situation, God called me for full-time ministry.